cash. Okay, so hello everybody, welcome back to Joe Lover's Riddles. I see you! I jumped on your head. I'm on your head. Okay, so my brother's in the game with me, and I'm on his head right now, and he's just walking, and I'm still on his head, which is amazing. Okay, so I already have a dinghy or whatever it is. So did you have how much money do you have? You have none. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh wait, you clicked it. Dang. Okay, I got my dinghy. Do you want to ride with me?
I got the guitar treasure. Coordinates.
Wait, what's the guitar treasure map? Where is it?
I got it from the dude over there.
Wait,
You need to go over here and get something that
Wait, where are you? I need to find you.
do you have 10 cash?
I have 5. I spent some. But where are you? Oh, there you are. But where'd you get the book? Where's the book?
This guy gave to me right here.
Which one? The guy who's talking?
Yeah, you need to go and, it's like a little clipboard.
You can find the map in your notebook? What do you mean, notebook?
How much does a coin get you?
Not anything. I already found the girl's necklace. So, I don't need to. Thanks again for finding my necklace. Okay. So, my brother, he's still
I got 5 coins and okay, I got enough to get the thing.
You have 0.
I know, but I have enough things that are worth it.
Jack.
They're good at not dying
Jack.
in the water or losing.
Once. What's it? Not.
But I don't care.
Okay, where are you? Okay. No, get out right now.
Hey, yo. Yeah, chill out.
I know, but I need Jack to get in my thing, because you don't have
yeah.
enough money.
Well, I'm about to sell things. Where's the...
Oh, you are? Okay.
Where's the pawn shop thing?
Like the best thing. Wait. I thought you put this
Okay,
down
where are
and
you?
then
You're still in the shop?
I'm going to the pawn shop.
Okay, I'm just driving around so no one can take the spot.
Sell coins.
I'm circling with my boat.
14.
I'm the person who's circling with the boat.
No, I'm above you right now.
You're above me?
No, the chat thing.
Oh yeah, you are. I'm gonna chat with you on this thing.
I got the geolocator.
Are you serious? On the floor?
They were right
I
here.
almost just stepped on them. Do you think that the couch is a better place to tell me you had them?
This guy is not.
I know, he's right.
Go.
Hey, Derek. Okay, I'm going.
Don't tell
Right.
people our real names.
Up.
Alright.
He's
So
off.
Are you talking to people?
No, I was saying that to him.
She's posting that. Alright, we need to go to -6.
I'm stuck.
Hold
Oh
on,
wait.
is there a cave?
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna go find this guitar. You need to bring me back to the shore, please.
Okay.
There's a building on the side of this.
There is.
On the side of the...
Oh wait, no. There's a suit shop in the ocean.
I don't think that's it.
Okay, I'm gonna drive you up to shore. We need to do this in the living room.
Well, right now I'm about to go find a...
But I really need...
really don't think we should do...
No, because I need to charge it. We need to do this on the kitchen table. Okay. Oh wait.
Don't do that! Get your foot out! I'm hard to topple over. It won't kill you, it'll hurt you.
I'm still in the same spot I was before. Okay.
Okay, I need you to give me a ride around the edge of the
Okay. I'm right here if you need it.
thing.
I see you.
Can I drive it?
No.
No, because only I know where it is.
No.
Alright, yeah, that's not me.
I told you.
How much does a dinghy cost?
$50. Hey! Come on! Get on!
We can do that in a minute. Let's go find some crap.
Don't say that. Where are you? I don't see you anymore. Are you not on the shoreline?
I'm getting stuff.
I'm going down to get stuff too. I'm in the scuba. So I'm scuba diving. Oh, I see you. Oh wait, no, that's not you. I found a treasure chest.
Yeah, but it needs a key to open.
I found a
How long
necklace.
have you been? Yeah, so did I earlier. How long have you been playing this game exactly?
33 minutes. You've been playing 7. Get up to the surface.
Yeah, no.
Quick.
Yeah. Who knew if I just had swam up? Of course I was swimming up. Not stupid.
You've got all my health back. Hey, get off of my dinghy. Hey! Get off. This is for Jack. I'm gonna drive him around places. I'll meet you back at the shoreline. Wait, was that you I just swam over?
Yep.
Wait, where'd you go? Okay, I'm gonna...
Sell my stuff.
It's so cool that you're playing together.
I'm following you back into the shop. The pawn shop. Excuse me. I got 14 cash.
I got 40.
What? How much was that worth?
Oh, I had 3 things actually. Because when I go down searching
Deep,
for stuff.
deep. Wait, I found something over here. On the shoreline. It's like a rainbow clam. Is that worth anything?
Can you click it or pick it up?
No.
Then that's a no.
Okay. Don't try. If you are not Jack, you are going to leave my dinghy right now. I know. I'm trying to drive him around so he'll fall out. I'm going to try and go under the
I
deck.
might die again.
Come on. I just made him off my dinghy. Oh no, I don't have much time. Get up. Breathe.
Jack's
Oh
underwater
God, it's
somewhere.
you. Hey, yay!
What? What's so exciting?
Hey.
Who are you saying hi to?
You, I'm right here.
Oh, wait. What? Oh, there you are. I got you. I'll get you. It's fine.
No, you won't.
Oh, I thought you were asking for a boat ride.
No.
Okay. I found a coin up here.
Cool. There are also a bunch of coins under the thing, and I just
I know.
Uh,
How would you get
necklace
up?
worth another 10. That'd get me up to 50 enough for my own boat. I wonder how many the boats cost.
They cost 50.
All of them, so I could get a speedy boat for.
No,
Yeah, that's what I thought. I want.
but the
a better
dinghies.
boat than you.
I don't know how you get up here. But it's definitely complicated. Stop it, DJ. Go to Jack's.
I also got the Sea Queen's necklace.
Where is it?
That's worth 16.
But where is it?
13.
Where are you? Go up to the surface now.
Okay.
I'm gonna follow you.
Here. Little to your right.
Oh, I see you. I'm gonna go.
Yep.
I
Right below me, in that hole, on top of the barrel. Okay?
wait. I'm gonna follow you so that I know where it is.
Right down here.
Which hole is it? This hole?
All of them connect.
Oh.
On top of the barrel, there should be the Sea Queen's necklace.
I can't find. Oh, there's a barrel.
On top of it, there's the Sea Queen's necklace.
I got it.
That's it.
Snow Queen's necklace. I need to get up now. I'm about to die.
Let's see how much I have around. That might get me up to 90 coins.
Breathe, 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 breathe. Okay, okay. No, get back up in the dinghy.
81.
It's not
Okay.
a dinghy.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is. That's what they call it, a dinghy.
Are you talking about that?
That's how they work. Okay, I just parked it. My dinghy. I'm going back to the. Oh, I see you. You need to get her necklace. I know where it is. I know where her necklace is.
Where?
I'm gonna bring you to it.
What's in here?
Okay, get in my dinghy.
Okay. Actually, hold on. Before I do that, there is another thing I need.
I'm gonna drive away.
I'm fine with that. I can buy another boat if need be.
I know, but I'm just gonna go to the other side of the dock because it's closer. Just gonna wait. Okay, my viewers, I've had a conversation with my brother. So, I hope you guys like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Goodbye!